Hi, hello friends. Welcome to Sandeep Shari. In today's session, we will be learning about the types of chemical reactions. And before that, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and please come on to the video. The first chemical reaction is combination reaction. As the name says, it is the combination of substances. So the definition is the combination of two or more substances in a chemical equation to give one or more products is known as combination reaction. So for example, if you take carbon plus oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide. So it is a simple equation. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Two or more substances, here one and two substances are combined to form a single product. Like similarly, calcium oxide plus water. Calcium oxide plus water gives calcium hydroxide. This is also a simple equation. Plus some amount of heat is produced. So there are two equations. Carbon plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide. Calcium oxide plus water gives calcium hydroxide plus some amount of heat is released. This is a simple equation. So next reaction is decomposition reaction. This states that one single reactant decomposes into two or more products is known as decomposition reactions. So there are three main types of decomposition reaction: thermal, photolytic and electrolysis. Let us see one by one. First is thermal. Thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal means under heat. The decomposition reaction happening under heat is known as thermal decomposition reaction. Let me give an example. Calcium carbonate, CaCO3, under heat, this is known as delta, which represents heat. Calcium carbonate under heat produces calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Okay, this is a simple example. Next is electrolysis. Electrolysis means which is under electricity. So let me give a simple example. Its example is water. Simply water. Water in electricity gives H2 plus O2. This is a simple example. Next is photolysis. This photolysis means under light. This photolysis has another name. That name is photochemical reaction. That is photochemical reaction. So let me give an example. AgCl, silver chloride, gives silver plus chlorine. This is a simple example. The next reaction is displacement reaction. One or more substances displace other substances is known as displacement reaction. So there are two main displacement reactions. One is single displacement and other is double displacement reaction. First, let's talk about single displacement. Single displacement means one substance displaces other substance, that is only one substance displaces other substance is known as single displacement reaction. So let me give an example. So zinc plus copper sulfate produces zinc sulfate plus copper. So here you can see zinc displaced copper. Okay, only one substance displaces the other substance. So next is the double displacement reaction. So sodium sulfate plus barium chloride produces barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Here you can see two other substances displaces other two substances. So this is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction, in other words, it is also called as precipitation reaction. The next reaction is oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction means the addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen, or if a substance loses electron. If a substance loses electron, it is known as oxidation reaction. If it is satisfying any one of the condition also, then it is called as oxidation reaction. Let's give an example. Copper plus oxygen gives copper oxide. Here you can see the copper is being oxidized because there is addition of oxygen. It satisfies the first condition. Next, H2S plus O2 gives sulfur plus water. Now the hydrogen is being removed from the substance. You can see sulfur is being allowed and it formed a water separately. So this equation satisfies the second condition. So this is also known as the oxidation reaction. Next is reduction reaction. So here there is a addition of hydrogen and removal of oxygen, and there it loses electron, here it gains electron. So let us give an example. KClO3, that is potassium chlorate, produces KCl, that is potassium chloride, plus oxygen. So here it satisfies the second condition. There is a removal of oxygen. So similarly you can say Na plus H2, sodium plus hydrogen gives NaH. Here you can see it satisfies the first condition. There is a addition of hydrogen to the substance. So this is also the reduction reaction. This is also the reduction reaction. The next is redox reaction. The reaction in which the oxidation and the reduction takes place simultaneously is known as redox reaction. A redox reaction has another name. It is oxidation reduction reaction. So what is redox reaction? Oxidation plus reduction in a same chemical equation which is happening simultaneously is known as redox reaction. It has another name, that is oxidation reduction reaction. So let us understand with an example. Copper oxide plus hydrogen produces copper plus water. Here you can see copper is being reduced by removal of oxygen. By removal of oxygen, copper oxide is reduced. Next, hydrogen is being oxidized by hydrogen is gaining oxygen. So here you can see oxidation and here you can see the reduction. So both the processes are happening in the same chemical equation. So if it is happening like so, this is called as redox reaction. And that's all for today, friends. Let's meet on the next video. Bye.